Hi, I want to show you this USB car charger with phone cable. So it comes with the lightning cable and it has the Type-C end. So here's the actual adapter right here. This makes it easier to get in and out than the old-fashioned model. So you've got your Type-C and you've got your fast charge 3.0 USB right there. This can go into any 12-volt outlet in a car, boat, or an RV, giving you the option to now have a phone charger or a device charger in there. And this Type-C cable, or this lightning cable at the Type-C end, is actually fabric coated, so it's not going to fray or rip. It's a very high quality cable.